Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Grok. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI to generate a perfect and eye-catching thumbnail for your YouTube, for your content creating work. So if you're a content creator or you're a YouTuber and you want to create an eye-catching thumbnail just like this, like what I have here, just like this, so you don't need to start creating everything from scratch or by yourself. You can leverage on the power of AI to create this amazing thumbnail for you. Or if you're a graphic designer who creates flyers, design for people's business, and you get paid for it, you can actually leverage on the power of AI to get that done for you, instead of wasting time, wasting hours on a particular job. You can actually leverage on the power of AI. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage on the power of AI to create an eye-catching thumbnail or flyers, something like this, something as beautiful like this, and get paid for what you are doing. So without wasting much of our time, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Grok. If this is your first time coming across a video like this, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon in order to get notified anytime we create relevant video like this. Without wasting much of our time, let's go ahead to why we are here today. So the reason for creating this video is to show you that you can actually create AI generated thumbnail or AI generated flyer without wasting much time on your phone or devices, without wasting much time on CorelDRAW, without wasting much time on Photoshop. So the AI we are going to be leveraging on is, today I'm going to go to groks.com. so I'm going to be making use of groks.com. Just go to your browser and type groks.com. We are going to be using 3 AI. Now this is the first one we are going to be using. Now this one is going to generate the prompt we are going to be using to generate our image, our thumbnail or our flyer, depending on what you want to do. So as a YouTuber, I create thumbnail very well, so I make use of AI to create my thumbnail. I did not create my thumbnail I did not start designing my thumbnail from scratch, so I make use of AI to create my thumbnail. So the first thing you need to do is, when you come to this platform, this is an AI platform, groksai.com or groks.com. so when you come to this platform, you need to tell this platform that what you do, or what you need the flyer for, or what you need the thumbnail for. So for example, I'll just tell this AI that, okay, I'm a website developer. No, let's use something else. I'm a fashion designer. I sew clothes. I need a perfect and eye-catching. Now so this is what we have tell the AI to do. He said, okay, I'm a fashion designer, I sew dress for people, and I need a perfect and eye catching flyer that will showcase, okay, we are trying to correct some, that will showcase my work. I sew dress for both male and female. I sew suit and I train people also. Please give me a perfect prompt to generate the flyer. So you can just tell this AI what to do, so it's going to generate a prompt. Now it is that prompt you are going to take to another AI to generate the image for us. So we are going to send. So it's thinking. Now here is a well optimized detail prompt. You can copy paste directly into an AI image generator, blah blah blah. Now best prompt, copy and use as it is. So you just copy it the way it is, and then so after we have copied, we'll go to this AI we are going to be using. We are going to be using two. Now the first one is Canva AI. So just go to canva.com/AI. You need to register with your email or your Google account. So I already registered. It just take me to the platform and I'm going to generate my image. Now if you have already registered, it's going to take you to this place. Now just click on it, and when you click on it, you click on image. So when you click on image, this 16:9 is a perfect ratio for YouTube thumbnail, but since we are not creating a YouTube thumbnail, we are going to change it to something like 1:1. So that's perfect for flyers. Then we are going to paste what you copy from Grok AI, what you copy from that platform, the grok.com. So you copy it and paste it here and click on submit. So it's going to load. It's going to give us 4 different flyer. So you are choosing the one that is perfectly okay for you. So you can see Crown Tech Contour. So you have the ability to change the name from the prompt it gives you. Premium custom design by blah blah blah. So let's say we can change. Let's look at this. I think this is okay. Crown Tech Contour. It has the logo. Premium custom design. This is not actually okay. The writing is not okay, and all this also, the writing are not okay. Now let's look at another one. Let's look at this. So you can see the writing. So the design are okay, but the writings are not okay. So what you can do is you can actually download it and crop out this design and use it for something meaningful. You understand? So we have this also. Crown Tech Contour, Premium Custom by Mosemi, and this blah blah blah. So we are having problem with the spellings. You understand? So we are having problem with the spelling, but the designs are okay. So what you can do here is you can crop out the design and use it for something else. Now let's try out the second AI. The second AI is Gemini.google.com. So we have Gemini.google.com. So this is the second AI, and I make use of this very well. So just once it's load, just click on it. No, you don't need this. Just click on this place where we have create image, the banana stuff. So when you click on create image, just paste it. Now let's cross check again. So we have this place where we have the name. I want to check the name. So top headline in large, bold, loose, rose, gold and white. So you can change this to something else. So I want to delete this. So let us send. So the AI is loading. It is loading. Now let's take a look at this. So if you preview this, Crown Tech Contour, bespoke suit, dresses, native and corporate wear for men, and we can see that this one is very perfect. This one is very perfect. All you need to do is just change the name Crown Tech Contour to your name. The design is okay, the spelling is okay, everything is okay. So I recommend you use Gemini.google.com. So this is how you can create a perfect flyer for your business, a perfect flyer or thumbnail. As a content creator, as a YouTuber, you can create thumbnail for your YouTube videos from here, and it's going to be perfect and eye-catching for what you want to use it for. And if you're a graphic designer, you don't want to waste time. Let's assume someone gave me a gigs to create a flyer for his or a fashion design business. I'll just come here and do what I did, and boom, I'll collect my money. So this is how to make money in 2026. If you get value from this video, just drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll be dropping the link of this website in the comment section as well. So thank you, have a nice day.